your confidence, you know, because anyone who comes in, you are very, one of the most hyped debutants.
Yes.
Right? I think somewhere that might have went against you, I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah,
sure.
for sure.
And now you've got all these films, which,
Yes.
does that make you feel relieved? Does that vindicate you? Or does that add the added pressure of expectation?
If you ask me in all honesty, had we done this 4 weeks back, I would be sitting here just the same way. Nothing would have changed. I look at life very differently here. A film doing well, doing below average, or not doing well, does not change the person that I am, the actor that I am. Robert De Niro has given hits and flops, and Al Pacino, and so has Mr. Bachchan. Does that take away from Mr. Bachchan? I'm not saying I'm Mr. Bachchan. Please don't misconstrue it. I'm taking examples of people who reach there. Does that take away from him? It does not. For me, as long as my work is being respected and appreciated, I'm okay with it. If it is not, I will improve. If Love Story 2050 was to become a blockbuster, would that change the way I'm doing what I'm doing? No.
You can't say that.
No, I know myself.
No, you can't say that.
Why will I change? Why do I need to change the way I'm performing? I will still go to Jaisalmer and do my research. If I still have to do a cricket scene with Muralitharan and the entire Sri Lankan team, or most of the Sri Lankans and South Africa, which I'm shooting for in 2 weeks, well, I need to do my training for cricket at night. I need to get back into my touch. I've done it for 4 months. I will need to train again.
Now, suppose that you didn't, for whatever reasons, you didn't have these films that you've got, these amazing big Bollywood films.
Right.
Would you have felt differently? Would you be really feeling like, what next now?
This is God's plan. Now let's look at it this way. Too much hype before the release, I buy it. Am I working at it? No, I'm working at promoting my film.
Would you have liked a simpler release?
No, I don't know. I think maybe, you see, again, a hypothetical question. Let's say a simpler release, film does not get the reception it requires.
You would have come out shining even more.
How?
You would have won all the hearts.
No.
Because you're still as good as you are in the film, no?
Yeah, so then I've still won those hearts. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, but you pissed a lot of people off.
How?
By becoming like bigger than the film in a lot of ways.
Correct. No? So if I have pissed a few people off, I would have pissed them off after signing these films also. When you are at any given point in life, or when you take your first step, some people give you a pat on your back. When you tell me second step, good. You tell me a third step, that's cool. Fourth step, they'll ignore you, and the fifth step, when is he going to fall here? Ye life hai. This is the way it works.
So are you already on your fourth step that people are waiting for you to fall?
No. I don't think anybody's waiting for me. I don't think I'm that important. I'm talking about people, when you say that I pissed people off. Answering that, in all honesty, how does it matter to me? What matters to me is my family, my closest friends, and yes, my filmmakers.